Okay, since I figured I make this video as well, so here it goes. This is my Mac Scroll. It's on Indiegogo campaign currently, and backer of mine from Mac Scroll, from Kickstarter, pledged for 2 of them, and he has his own. This is a DICOM viewer, and this one consists of 137 images, and he wants to use the Mac Scroll to scroll to those pictures. Here you don't zoom in, you can, but you scroll normally. That's what I learned. So you can do it either via mouse. Let's start from the top, and you can see how long it takes start to finish, or you can use my Mac Scroll and get actually a fluid motion. You can, it takes top to bottom much faster, and you can also watch individual pictures. So he wants to combine the Mac Scroll. He asked me if I can write code for him, because normally you have like different pictures and then you select one picture and then you scroll through that and whatnot. I'm of course not a medical person, and just download this demo program, and or it's a free program to see what it looks like, what is going on. And actually, to my surprise, to scroll through the images, my Mac Scroll works right out of the box. So if you're into, it's called radiology. No, not radio, but radio like this, because they use radio to take images of your body. And it's actually quite interesting. I would like to see some other pictures, like of a heart. This is a vein, I think, somewhere. It's a demo picture. It would be really interesting to see how the heart beats, and I don't know, for me it's interesting to see. Or if you have like a CAT scan through a whole body from head to toe. And I might ask him for some pictures. I'm sure he has plenty. Anyway, this is another use for the Mac Scroll that nobody wants. You rather do this all day long. Let me you tell me if it's useful or not. I will upload this to YouTube and probably on TikTok. Not that I'm expecting any feedback from TikTok, but it's amazing what technology can do. And since nobody wants to use this, or not too many, for their PC, maybe I go into the medical field. He wants to take this actually to a convention, I think it was, and he also knows obviously colleagues. And since the first campaign was very successful on Kickstarter, and I thought that doing a second one will explode, but it imploded. And maybe the medical field will enjoy the Mac Scroll. Now I have to call it Mac Viewer, or I don't know, something different, because you're viewing individual pictures. Obviously, still you can use it for scroll through web pages and whatnot. Here's my campaign, 17 backers. Ooh, But and then I get stupid questions like, do you ship to the US? I ship worldwide to every country on this planet, and I'm in talks to ship it to the moon too, and the ISS. Yeah, right. Anyway, or you can do it with this, with your scroll wheel on your mouse. Have fun doing that. Didn't they say you get carpal tunnel something when you use the mouse too much? And I'm sure it's more related to the scroll wheel instead of just moving the mouse around. And let me see, look at that, $765,000 RFID. $765,000 versus, ooh, now watch this number, $830 with 17 backers. Yeah, I know. This is probably the milestone on my grave, because I'm actually really getting sick and tired of working, trying. I mean, okay, I built clocks, whatnot here. This one, the retro clock. I built a lot of clocks, and my biggest customer is Adam. That's me. And obviously everybody has clocks, nobody needs clocks, whatnot. But what I was gonna say, I'm building so many things, and I thought this will be it. It will go mainstream, everybody will want one. And I got 17 people, and I think 4 or 5 people are from Kickstarter that came here to support me. Adam, for example, is getting another one for as a present for somebody else. And yeah, rent over. If you wanna get one, I will put the link in the description, and you can back this project as it says here. Where's my finger? I have to get used to this. Back this project. If it would be touchscreen, it would probably work. And yes, this is it. Thanks for watching, and maybe I get one more pledge today. Let's see. Take care, everybody.